I'm now at Manila Airport, the Philippines, ready to take a flight from Manila direct to Honolulu. It will take about 7 hours and 7 minutes through the Philippine Airlines. This is a very nice plane and it's really clean. I take the Airbus 330, which direct flight from Manila to Honolulu. My first experience to fly the Philippine Airlines. Passengers are queuing up to board the plane. This is the Airbus that will take me from here, Manila, to Honolulu, Hawaii States of America. So it will be the exciting flight to fly over the Pacific Ocean. It's really amazing flight. I expected, and it will be cool in the plane because we will fly overnight during the night from Manila to Honolulu. It will be in the morning in Honolulu, as will be arrive around 9 a.m. in the morning. This is me that I'm boarding the plane. I took the picture and it was exciting experience even during the COVID-19, and you see inside the aircraft it's very nice, very shining, the lights, and very crowded. There are many passengers. And welcome to Honolulu in the morning. I'm arrived at the airport and it was welcoming by the rain. It was raining. And it was my experience to see the rain in this island and see the people, the culture, mahalo, they said hello. Yeah, so this is the word that I really first time hearing the people. The people there are very nice, welcome and friendly. They're very helpful, and with the new visitors or passengers, they provide comfortable feeling and support whenever you need. So they're really friendly, and I like the people there so much. Here myself that was under the shade to cover myself from wet of the raining. It's still raining in the airport. Very exciting. Even I look a bit nervous, but no problem because my first time come to this area, come to this island and seeing the people and connecting to Maui. I took the plane, fly the plane, and then get on the bus to travel from the airport to my hotel place. My staying at the hotel at the place that have been booked and support me for the accommodation. So this is a very nice view. Yeah, you see the city, you see the whole traffics and people travel, many nice car. Yeah, it was very impressed by seeing how people in America, especially in Maui, in the Hawaii states, the culture, they're living, they're friendly, and they are nice people. Yeah. you see people are respecting to the traffic light. They stop properly. They obey the law, the traffic rules, and respecting the other direction to go and all that. I like people like this and really want to learn in this culture also. Seeing many houses on the way or apartments really like, and I like the flags that here they are flagging, and different nationalities have been seen here. Especially I like the flag of America. Yeah. And now I come to my hotel resident or accommodation. So it's really nice view. I am on the fourth floor taking photos from my room, and really exciting to see these trees and the small garden and the path that we can walk. I will spend time to walk around and in visiting areas, seeing the places, and also exercise as part of my staying in Maui for my trip, so that I can experience the culture, learning how people living their life daily in this wonderful island, and the people of respect, the people of high value and really friendly. Thank you very much. I like this island. Today is raining, so I cannot walk, so I will wait for tomorrow. Here are some pictures of my time spending walking, seeing the view. Very nice. I like this island very much, and I really enjoy my time staying and visiting this island. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you are enjoying it.